Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's Miz Sandy, and today I am basically gonna do a review for a company named Wigsbysalika. So they've got this messy bun plus clip-in fringe, very beautiful. They got the scanty fringe and the full fringe, but I'm just gonna be leaving the description so that you guys can actually purchase this if it's something that you like to do. Also, this is basically just a quick go-to hairstyle, just something that you just want to have a different look, you know. Very simple and very chic. I love the whole process. Installing this was really nice. Moving on, this is just me prepping my hair in order to wear the clip-in fringe. If you're the type that just like to, you know, slick your hair without the baby hairs, that's basically fine, but this is just basically me doing me, you know. Before I move on, I just want to use this opportunity to thank all my subscribers. Thank you so much. Thank you guys for everything, for your support, for liking my videos, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. Like, I saw a very wonderful comment recently about someone saying something like you know, praising my effort and everything. Those are the kind of comments I like to see. I really love you for that comment, for posting that. It was really a word of encouragement. So lovely. Thank you. Keep up the good work, keep up the good positive comments and everything. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch this video, and if you're interested in this product, I'll be leaving the link in the description so that you guys can actually check it out. It's very affordable, and it is human hair. Very lovely. You guys won't regret purchasing this product. So lovelies, just keep on watching. If you haven't given this video a huge thumbs up, give it a huge thumbs up. And yeah, I'm just gonna shut my mouth so now you guys can actually just enjoy the rest of the video.